Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to rotate the tires on this 2008 Chevy Silverado work truck. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to take this hubcap off, just going to use a pry bar. Some vehicles may not have these hubcaps. These are clipped in right here, just like that. Set that aside. Now I'm going to take the center cap off. I'll just take a 22mm socket, loosen up these plastic caps. Then I'm going to loosen up these lug nuts. I'll use the 22mm socket and a breaker bar. And we're going to repeat this procedure on all the wheels. Now that we have all the wheels loosened up, we're going to raise and support the vehicle. We're using a 2-post lift. If you're doing this at your house, you can use a jack and jack stands. I'm going to take the lug nuts off. I'll take the wheel off. I'm just going to place them all on the ground. There's many different ways to rotate the tires. The first thing you want to check is make sure your tires are not directional. What directional tires is, the tread pattern will only go in one direction. You're only supposed to put it on one side. So if you have directional tires, you're going to only want to go front to back. So this one would only go on the right front, and the right front would only go on the right rear. And then same with the left side. For this vehicle, we checked our owner's manual, and the owner's manual actually recommends the 2 rear tires go straight forward, and then the 2 front ones cross going back. So we'll put this right rear one on the right front. Now we're going to take this left front one and we're going to put it on the right rear because we're going to cross the front ones going back. That's going to make the tire go in the opposite direction that it normally travels. Now Now we'll take this one and put it on the left rear. At this point, we're going to lower the vehicle and torque the lug nuts. I'm going to use my 22mm socket and a torque wrench. I'm going to torque these lug nuts in a star pattern to 140 foot-pounds. The reason you do it in a star pattern is so that the wheel gets tightened down evenly. Go back and recheck. I'm going to do the same for the other 3 wheels. Next we'll install the center cap. Take the 22mm socket, install these little caps. Don't tighten these too tight, just finger tight. They do crack a lot of the times and strip out. And if you have this style hubcap, you're going to line this little notch out with the valve stem. Install this. And do the same with the other 3 wheels.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.